blessings for you, Geminis. I'm hearing pag-angat. So, merong increase around your career or maybe love life. Pwedeng sa inyo from in a relationship to engage. From situationship to nagka-label na. From being broken to healed. Acceptance. What's the message for Gemini? First to second week ng July. But before we proceed, I would like to say my thank you sa lahat ng subscribers, followers, and nagpapa-reading sa akin through private. Thank you so much. I'm more active on TikTok, so please check out my accounts doon. And first card, King of Wands. The Lovers, this is the Gemini energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And I'm seeing here Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ace of Cups. Four of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. Okay. King and Queen of Wands. The World. Knight of Cups. Page of Swords. Lastly, we have Eight of Pentacles. So yeah, let's do a reading para sa Geminis. Gaya ng mga nabanggit ko kanina, ang acceptance, increase, or pag-angat, meron pa akong nakikitang fulfillment here. For some of you here, I'm hearing the word revisiting. Maybe may mga binalikan or babalikan kayong gawain or task, hobbies from the past, or pwedeng from a childhood memories ninyo na maaring magbigay sa inyo ng emotional fulfillment. Pwede rin magkaroon ka ng travel here na magbibigay sa iyo ng relaxations. Siyempre, pag nagkaroon ka ng relaxation na feeling or vibe, mas magkakaroon ka ng sense of fulfillment. There's also some energy here na if you are single, you're trying to embody or gusto mong maramdaman yung energy na in control ka sa emotions mo, sa actions mo. Hindi ka muna nagpapadala sa mabilisang attraction or panliligaw or commitment. If you're in a relationship naman, I can see here that there is this emotional balance. Both of you and your person, especially if medyo bago pa lang yung relationship, nagkakaroon ng, I'm hearing the word fertility. So if you are, you and your partner ay nagbabalak magkaroon ng offspring or anak, there is a possibility energy here. It's a strong yes. And a positive sign, meron din ako nakikita dito. For some of you here, if you are working sa social media na side, meron ako nakikitang tiyagain mo lang yung energy na yan, tiyagain mo siya, and you will earn or benefit something. Pero although this energy is kinda slow pa siya, the progress is already there. You have to be persistent and consistent. But for some of you here, you're stalking somebody else, or meron kang inaay na person through social media. You're watching someone from social media ng person na ito, or maybe nakikita mo siya very very popular or kind of popular person na you're looking up to this person so much, and you're seeing her as an inspiration yung hard work niya. And ayun, meron din ako nakikita for some of you here, do not mismanage some opportunity na binigay or ibibigay sa iyo this first to second week ng July, especially when it comes to career. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na although you are in a state or nasa estado ka ng life mo ngayon na very focus ka sa mga actions mo, medyo magkakaroon ka ng imbalance here when it comes to it. So make sure na yung actions mo and yung emotions mo are somehow aligned to what is happening or what is your vision sa iyong future. For some of you here, there is a rapid energy, especially if you're single, there is a rapid or mabilisang energy of communication through social media. Maring may makilala ka na bagong tao sa social media na medyo magiging hesitant ka na kilalanin ito dahil sa sobrang bilis, maybe sobrang bilis niyang magtanong, sobrang bilis niyang makiyus tungkol sa'yo, na para bang napaghihinalaan mo if this person is serious. Take some time to really get to know this person, to listen to this person. Wag mo siyang kaagad i-cut off. It's just that you have to communicate to this person na you want to build a structured and very steady yet slow relationship. And this is getting to know. For some of you here, merong travel na paparating that can help your help your career growth. So whether there is an offer when it comes to career growth na related sa travel, you have to take some time to think about it and then explore ka lang. And I can also see there's this chakra block when it comes to my throat. So maybe you have to speak more with a lot of honesty tungkol sa iyong career, tungkol sa iyong estado ng iyong love life. Maybe some of you are very active on social media kung titingnan siya. Very promising ang connection ninyo sa social media, but then again, there's a lot of blockages na nangyayari sa social media. So, next month is the best time, or this July is the best time to really be honest and talk about it. Be honest to yourself and to your partner. So this is your reading, Gemini. I hope it will help you a lot, and thank you so much.